I was initially going to install the GoPro on my bike's handlebar, as I figured the video will be more stable instead of the helmet tilting left and right. But the GoPro 9 has a built-in horizontal level, so it should put the video more stable. Another reason was that it's too visible on top of the helmet, especially riding in the city. If it were on the handlebar, it would be more incognito. And that was another reason. The two concerns that I have now are the wind noise and how to record my voice while riding. I believe I might need a wireless mic or some kind of attachment to the internal mic in my helmet. But I don't want wires running along my helmet, so I have to figure that out. My first ride on the street is going to be this Thursday. I've never ridden a bike on the street before, so I wanted to get the camera in place. I was supposed to go on the street a couple of weeks ago, but just got lazy, and I was also trying to get used to my boots, which are pretty stiff. So it took me a couple of rides inside the parking garage to get used to these boots for shifting the shift lever. But I think I've pretty much got the hang of it, gotten used to these handles. So let's see how it works out this Thursday.